we are majorly focusing on the aquaculture inputs. As we are aware of that, aquaculture is one of the major food producing sector which alleviates the protein deficiency. The main thing is that a lot of chemicals and other unwanted materials are used in aquaculture that degrades the grade and quality of the harvest material. So what we are thinking, we are from research background, so we want to make all these process in an organic way. So the major issue in aquaculture industry is vibriosis. Vibriosis is a disease that is caused by many gram-negative bacteria from the genera of Vibrio. And this, because of this diseases, running mortality and other survival loss is happened. So because of that, huge economical loss will be faced by the farmers. So farmers need some alternative remedy for this kind of biological issue which is happened in aquaculture. So for that we are having one prototype that is known as Banvi. That is basically a polyherbal mix. That polyherbal mix contains a lot of organic compounds and other antimicrobial compounds that inhibit the growth of bacteria inside the animal. That makes the animal to withstand even in the contaminated environment. So this is the major innovation of our technology. The main thing is that normally the in products most of the peoples are using herbals as such, whereas we are doing extraction. We are doing right now we are doing manual extraction, and after the support from manage, we are planning to make it in an automated way, so that the efficiency of the product will be enhanced, the potency will be enhanced. Even in lesser quantity, it will be very beneficial to the farmers. And because of this product, using this product, they can escape from the major drastic outbreak of vibriosis, and their economical problem will be solved because of our biosolution. And when consider about manage, so before having training and all, we have some crude approaches on the business. We don't have any better ideas on the business model, the strategies, even accountings, documentation. So all these things were supported after online classes supported by manage. We have learned many things, and as per that now we are proceeding in a proper way. So this is the major thing about all these things. We are feeling very glad to associate with manage. Thank you.